Today we're going to try to make a track in J. Cole's style. The first thing I did, just like my Logic tutorial, is I went to look for a sample on YouTube. After searching YouTube for a while, I found this track by Bill Luce called Honey Colored. I liked the way that it sounded when I heard that first section of the song, so I decided to try to make a track out of that. I cut out the portion of the sample that I liked and I looped it. Then I dragged the cut sample into the playlist, cloned it, and panned one hard left and the other hard right. I did this in order to give it a wider feel. Then I pitched one of the samples up 100 semitones, and I pitched the other ones up 110 semitones. I think that the slight detuning of one of the samples will help make it sound fuller when they're played together. I also cloned the sample one more time and cut out all the highs. I'm going to use this as the bass track. I came up with this kick pattern here. Then I laid down this snare. Then I added a snare roll. Then I added this hat. I added an extra snare for more bounce. I added a crash. To give the beat a bit more swing, I added this drum break. I also cloned this sample and treated it the same as I did the sample loop to attain a wider stereo image with the sound. I used an EQ to cut out the lows and boosted the highs, added a compressor, added some reverb, another EQ to boost some of the highs, and a limiter. Now it sounds like this. Alright, now the beat's finished, and this is what it sounds like. Okay, you get the point. Now on to the lyrics. J. Cole's lyrics are really authentic and specific to him and his experiences, so I think I'm gonna have a hard time recreating his style. With that being said, J. Cole's lyrics focus a lot on storytelling, life experience, being woke, women, and references to his hometown of Fayetteville, North Carolina, or as he refers to it commonly, the Ville. Alright, let's see what we've come up with.
Try to climb up that ladder, they pull you back down it. They know you feeling that pressure, but never ask about it. You know the type, that type to say they want you in flight, but turn spiteful once you reach a new height. It's got me reminiscing on my days back in the Ville, when all these bitches used to curb me when I asked them to chill, for real. Things change, won't stay the same forever. Yelling out Cole, wish they knew Jermaine better.